Okay, so let's start. And let's see whether it's a bull trap or it's a shakeout. And let's see whether the good entries to long if it's a bull trap or if it's a shakeout where we need to short for BTC and all the coins. Okay, so let's talk about that. And at last, let's go into the crypto news. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so on a daily of the crypto bubble, the near is down. That's down. Algo is down. Algo the trend also is not coming. Then let's check on the weekly of the bubble. Okay, so Cash, this guy is on keep on pumping. We'll check on Zill because yesterday also check on Zill. But today still pump no -5%. Let's check on a monthly. Okay, XRP, FX, mask. Guy mask is on going up. Okay. So now let's check on the BTC chart. Let's go first straight the BTC chart. Okay, so here's the yesterday's chart. As you know that if you all were there the yesterday's, you all would have entered your short enter here, 3 year, put a stop loss and then all the way down, right? Yep. So right now if you see, so I'll show you from here. Okay, so you can see right yesterday you'll shorted from all the way down. Okay, so right now what it needs to do is if it breaks, I'll show you on a 1 hour chart. Okay, so let's take it from there and let's see where it can. So right now so right now, yeah, this is on a small time frame. Okay, so from a small time frame on a BTC, you can see this resistance. It if it keeps on supporting, this is on a 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. Okay, so let's go on a 3 hour now. Okay, so right now is a 3 hour chart. Okay, so right now, if if it doesn't break this, it goes up. It's it won't be valid. Okay, so right now if it remains as a resistance, this white line, if it remains as a resistance and it falls down and it breaks this key support at 27,444, okay, then we need to put our short entry here. We need to re-enter short and we take it all the way to here. Okay, so for your first stop take profit will be here and your short re-entry will be over here. Okay, if it does those things, let me tell you again. Let me show you the charts again so you don't get confused. Right now it breaks this, we enter here. It breaks this, we enter here. The stop loss above. If it keeps this as resistance and breaks this, it's going to go break this. Then we short from here. We go all the way, we put our take profit right over here. Okay, and if it breaks this, we are going all the way to 24. Okay, we re-enter, but let's talk only till here because BTC moves like little bit slow, but when it breaks, fuck, it's gonna fall. Okay, so now let's talk about the bullish part, the green. Okay, so now let's talk about the greens. Okay, so right now it's at, let me show you on a 60-minute chart so you can see. Okay, so right now you can see this resistance. It's around like 20. It's coming at 27 here on top. To the lows is coming at 27,600. The highs is coming to 27,800. Okay, so this range, this it needs to break this key resistance right here. Once it breaks this resistance, we can see we are on upward trend. And till there it can go till this resistance over here. Okay, so if it goes there till that resistance, and then it can go down or it can go up. But say it's on a bullish one. Okay, so let's go on a 4 chart. Say it's on a bullish one. Got all this, you all understood, right? Say on a bullish one, it will come back to this range. It will break this key support over here, right here. it will break this, and then it'll go up and break this. Okay, so once it breaks this at 28,000 and gives this as support, we enter all our longs here. Okay, here we don't see, we just wait till it breaks this $27 range. We just see if it breaks here, then it can even come down. If it breaks this, it breaks this, makes this as support, we enter all alongs here. Okay, so that's for your BTC chart. Y'all seen, right? Y'all understood, right? So you again, if it breaks from here, it breaks this key resistance, breaks this, then breaks this, makes this support, we enter all along right here. Okay, at 28,700 range. Okay, so that's for longs of BTC, shorts of BTC. Now let's talk about the ETH chart. Okay, so for your ETH chart, okay, so for ETH chart, okay, so yesterday if you were shorting small, you would have shorted from here, you would go all the way here. Okay, so now let's not talk about that. Let's talk about bullish part. Okay, so right now ETH, what needs, it needs to, yeah, it's already done. Okay, so ETH right now, let's talk about the bullish. ETH right now needs to come here from this range. I'm talking bullish part. It needs to break this. It needs to give this as a support right here. So right now ETH needs to break this from here. This pair needs to break this key resistance area at around 1800. Needs to make this as support, and then we enter all our long entries, and then it's more probably going to go up. Okay, so till it breaks this, we ain't doing anything until it makes this as support. We ain't doing anything. So a short, which is nice at its short part. So what we need right now, seeing this here, this area, right now what it will do is, so right now I'll show you on a 1 hour chart. Okay, clearly this all this just delete. You can see this. Right now you can see this is supporting this resistance, right? Supporting, so it keeps supporting this resistance. It keeps supporting this resistance, and it breaks this support at around 1773. Put a short here. If it breaks, only when it breaks. Right now it's not breaking. See, it's just supporting. It can break this and go up. Okay, so once it's now, okay, this support, we take our short entries right here. Put a short entries right here. Once it breaks this, and we put our TPs right here down at around here. As short TP put around 1715. Then when it breaks this, we'll reassess whether when it breaks this. Okay, so that's for your ETH chart, your bullish and your bearish. Now let's go on the next chart over here, which is on the AVAX. Focus for your AVAX. Let's talk first of the bearish. They already all. So if you are there on your ADA, you would have entered your short here. Actually, you would have entered it here, right? And you would have still, you would have take profits here. Okay, so now you are re-entering your shorts right now. You are re-entering. You can enter it. I'll show you where. This is the shorts, huh? Right now, you can see this key sub resistance thing here, right here, support. Right here now, we'll reassess it. Okay, right now it's supporting this 1 hour chart. So right now it needs to go here back. Okay, so once it goes back here at around $17, and then again it comes down, breaks this key support here at around you can say $16. We need to enter a short from here. It's more probably going to go down. Okay, So it's going to go down. We can put a short TP at around 104 chart. Once it breaks that key support area at around 17 here, you can say 1688 to re-enter short. So then we need to put a take profit of a short over here at around $16 all the way from here to here. Okay, need to put a short entry. Okay, so that's for your AVAX chart. Okay, so I didn't tell about the long entry. So right now your long entries, it needs to break this. It breaks, just cut off. So your AVAX is just going to follow BTC, but still BTC ranges there only it's better. It good entries in AVAX. So for part of there, it needs to break this resistance. You can see the white line. It needs to break that. Once it breaks that, we don't need it. Just watch once it breaks that. Once it breaks this resistance over here at $17.7 and makes this as support, we need to enter all our longs. Okay, need to just watch this line at $17. Okay, so that's for AVAX chart. Now let's check on its full chart. Normal. Let's check. Okay, so it took a short entry from, took it from take profits here. Okay, so still hold it goes here. So still holding it, right? So I'll watch yesterday. You'll know exactly. I'll watch. Take a nice. Okay. So right now let's talk about the bearish part of this. Okay. So right now y'all holding your entry still. Wait till it comes around here. Okay, let's talk about the bullish part. Okay. So right now it needs to break this. Needs to break around here. You can say needs to break this one 17. It needs to break this $21 point 21.85 cents. Okay, once it breaks this is support at around $21. It breaks this, it gives a support here again, it gives, and it breaks this at around here $21. It breaks this we don't enter. Wait till it breaks this at around $21 and make this as support. We'll enter all our longs. Okay, here, right here at around $21. Okay, $21.85. Okay, so now let's talk about your short entry. Because now it's favoring all your shorts, so I don't want to stress. Okay, so y'all took your entry here. Your entry. Y'all took your entry. Y'all wait till it breaks. You'll put your TPs right here. If it breaks this, you all can reassess it if it breaks. And we put our take profits again here. So TPs right now, you are just holding. Right now you can't short, you can't long. Just wait till your take comes till or it be here only somewhere. We take our profits from short entering and we reassess if it's going up or down. Okay, so now that's your first shorts. Now let's check on your dot chart. Okay, so your dot if you could see a dot chart here. Okay, so well, if I took the entries for dot, the long entries are all gone because it broke this. Okay, so right now we need to wait. Right now, if it breaks this, but it's a small short entry, you need to enter if you're taking a what now the bearish part. Okay, so if if the if it breaks this key support here $6.60, you need to enter our shorts here. We need to put our take profits around $5.82. Put a short take profit. Okay, if it breaks this area. So right now let's talk about the I told you, right? Now let's talk. It will dangle at this end here. It will dangle at around. Dangle. Mostly see it will go like that, and then it can break. But for bullish, it breaks. We enter until it breaks this at around $6.65. We enter all along. So it's more probably going. Okay, remember this entry, $6.6650. It breaks that. They are more probably going to go up. Okay, that's for your dot chart. Now let's check your ADA. Okay, so for ADA just this resistance you can see this resistance. Look at the bullish part. You can see this resistance is breaking this resistance. So once it breaks this, it's breaking right now. It goes there, it breaks this, breaks it from here. You can say still don't enter. We enter all along as soon as it breaks this support around breaks normally this high. Okay? This high 0.40. We enter all along again as soon as it breaks this one. Okay, so we enter all 0.40 cents. Next is a support. We enter all along. Probably going to go up and up. Okay, and I take profit if for that will be at this range 0.40 cents. Okay, if it breaks this, only if it breaks this, we put a short, put a long entry from here. The entries here, long here, the long entry 0. Put I take profits at this 0.43. Okay, so right now what it can do, let's talk about the bearish part. Okay, right now it can just come till it can be dangling here only, then it can break. Okay, so once it breaks, now this one little bit breaks this support up. It breaks this, yeah, watching this. It breaks this support at around 0.37 cents. Once it breaks that, check, wait, the range is okay. Yeah, it's quite big. It's not just 100, but you can take your small short entry here at this range. Small short take profit at this range 0.36 cents. I'll write it out. Yeah, the big entry short T. Yep. Yeah, can take it over here. So if it breaks this, we know a bullish it needs to break this one. You need to break support here. Probably going to that right now. Algo is for doing the same thing as ADA now. Okay, so I had entered this short. Right now I entered it at this range. My take profit is okay here. So right now it's going down. Can't do anything. Just wait till it's at this range. Goes here. Wait. The bullish part, short entry is already. So for bullish part, it needs to break this resistance. It should break that. Okay. Once it breaks this at this range at around 0.23 cents, this as support, we enter all our entries here. Okay, that's for your algo chart. A short, we just wait till it goes back here, or we take profits here, but we just wait. Can reassess if the candles come here, more probably going to go up. Okay, that's for a short. Put a trailing stop loss. So as your it's going down, it makes again go on a 30-minute chart and check. Put here and again here. Okay, like that we need. Don't put, you put the take profit, you put a take profit here, then after start goes more down, put again there, put again there, put again there. No problem even if it touches, but you will have the habit of putting a trailing stop. So that's for your charts, and I just seen one chart. Okay, LP, it just broke just now. Okay, or just check. I don't know. It just broke. Here it's going to. I'm taking a short position for this one, right? Now let's check. Right now, this resistance right here. Take a short around. So you can take, put a stop loss above this. Put a stop loss anyway. Probably. Okay. So put your T. Short T. This range around. So $6. Want to see how it looks on a bar chart? It looks just so right. Take out short from here because it broke this, right? Okay. Yeah. There. And for long, if you want to say long, it needs to come back to this range. Take this $7. Okay. Here or take this one. Make this support. Then we can enter along. Okay. But just on a short entry. Just going to hold it for the charts. Now let's talk about the crypto news. Okay. So right now, first news that's just there is meme coins market watch. Meme coins are skyrocketing. Okay. So Dogecoin and Sheep. Okay. We'll check on that right now. They just went around 9%. They skyrocketed. When BTC was dumping, right? They skyrocketed. So here's the chart. The Dogecoin. So see, that's what they did. But how, if you're thinking of buying, it's no use of buying because it just gave like a stop. It can more probably go down, right? It gave this thing. Gave us this and went down. If it keeps this support, right? What you can gives once it breaks this probably but more probably going down. Okay, once it breaks this. So right now it's of no use of buying, selling. Just watch this. Trend, it's gone down. It just up and down. That's the news. There's nothing to buy and all it. These coins are not even good. Just went up, came down. Okay. So this meets beat. Okay, so they are related to ApeCoin, right? Instagram debuted Signal growing popularity and they partnered. They've joined the Instagram. Okay. So they've joined Instagram, and you know that Instagram has around 1 billion users, right? See this Yugo Labs. Sorry, they are related to Yugo Labs, right? Not ApeCoin. They're related to Yugo Labs. They joined Instagram, which has around 1 billion users. So right now we are seeing this. If you really go to see from the last 2 to 3 weeks, we are just seeing this NFT related news coming up to the news. Okay, so we need to even check on ApeCoin in the future when it starts breaking out. Okay, so you need to keep an eye on that also. So the second news, the third news is 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀 begins migrating to Ethereum. Okay, so the 𝗧𝗶𝗺s were on Solana chain. Now they shifted and they're gone to the Ethereum chain. So the volume of that NFT was very high. It was the highest on the Friday. So here it is, right here. Check the volumes right now. Records was records was the massive on Friday, and it was the highest on Ethereum on till Friday. Yeah, till 2021 it was the highest, as we see on the news over here. So it's the highest. See, the completed over 2.1 sales, and it was the the highest amount since NFTs were initially maintained in October 20. It was the highest, and they shifted from Solana to Ethereum. And here's the how they look. Okay, so I want to see those here. Right now they are on a downward trend, so they are on Ethereum. They related 2 million yesterday sales. Okay, so now let's talk about the next news, which is about this Elon Elon Musk request dismissal of. Okay, so this the news. Elon Musk dismissed the because people are just giving him the lawsuits, right, of him related to Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is a pyramid scheme. So the they just dismissed all the lawsuits filed by him that to the pyramid scheme of Dogecoin, which he promoted on Instagram, and they're like, this ain't a proper lawsuit. Okay, so that's it for today's news. That's it for today's news. If you like live stream like this, just give this live stream a like. Hit the subscriber, pin that notification bell so that you're not late for this live stream. Okay. So peace out, crypto fam.